consider any value a, b, c, d. So here we compare each and every one with k. 45 power 1 by x is k, then 3 power 1 by y equal to k, 5 power 1 by z equal to k. Now this power we bring it to right hand side, otherwise multiply the power with x both the side. So similarly y with both the side and z both the side. So here if we modify this one, we can write it as 45 power 1 by x multiply with the power x. Similarly right hand side k power x. So here x get cancelled. We can write it as 45 is k power x. Similarly here 3 power 1 by y into y equal to k power y. So 3 is k power y. Similarly here 5 power 1 by z multiply with z equal to k power z. So here z get cancelled. We can write it as 5 equal to k power z. So here we see the question. We must prove x equal to 2y plus z. X plus 2y equal to z. So what we do? Here 2y is there. Here 2y is there. Here we have 3 equal to k power y. So first we must write it this as power as 2y. So for that one we multiply the power squaring both the side. Squaring both sides. So we can write it as 3 square equal to k power 2y. Now we add x. X is what? 45. 45 we can write it as 9 into 5. 9 into 5. So what is 9? 9 is nothing but 3 square into 5, where 3 square can be written as k power 2y into 5 can be written as k power z. So left hand side we have 45 can be written as k power x. Now we can write k power x equal to, so your right hand side multiplication is there, so when the base are same we can add the power. 2y plus z can be added. What is the meaning of this one? If we compare both the powers, we can write it as x equal to 2y plus z. So we are equating the power. We are getting the answer. So here while writing this one, we must remember that the biggest number is 45. We must write the combination of the given question 3 as well as 5. So this is only possible. We can use 9 into 5 to get 45. So modification of this one is 3 square into 5. We have written here 45 equal to 9 by 5. We simplified. We have proved this problem.